his ass right up 5-1.
Right. Good. Show him big lift.
Right.
Show him big lift. Just sell it hard.
I'm going
Reverse.
Yeah, going straight.
Hop to the other side. Boom. That's right.
Get it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop over. I'm not gonna swing around front like I did before. I'm gonna hop over.
Right away.
Right.
Came in to get a workout in, break the sweat this morning. So I wouldn't sit around all day in my room getting cold. You know, I got up early anyway. Usually get up about 5, so stick to my original schedule.
Slam dunk him! That's it. That's it right there.
Kind of wrestling that you want to be doing at this time of your career?
Oh, definitely. I want to make sure these guys know this is my weight class. I'm going to keep it that way. I wasn't planning on coming this up until about 3 weeks ago. Went out to the training center, worked out, talked to Kevin. Kevin Jackson's a great coach. He knew exactly what to tell me. I'm ready.
Well, you look pretty strong out there. What do you think about tomorrow?
I'm excited about tomorrow. Ready to go. I think Tig's a little scared.